was a moment of cheers and jubilation at the NRM Electoral Commission headquarters in Kampala as His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, accompanied by First Lady Janet Kataha Museveni, officially picked up the expression of interest forms for the 2026 general elections. The President is
I want to thank all the NRM fraternity for the support they have shown me when I've been going up country. This is the one that has encouraged me to say, let me go forward and see how I can escort the NRM members and especially the Bazukuru for 5 more years, and then we see what happens.
The occasion attracted top figures of the ruling party, including NRM First National Vice Chairperson and Haji Moses Chigongo, Speaker of Parliament Anita Among, Deputy Speaker Thomas Tayebwa, several ministers, and NRM district chairpersons. President Museveni emphasized that his renewed bid is anchored on transforming Uganda's economy through industrialization and fighting corruption, which he described as an enemy to national development.
And in this time, I want us really to wipe out corruption. Because this corruption should not be there. Because you are in charge. Remember, the NRM, when it came into government, gave you power to elect people at all levels. LOC ones, you have just elected. You have just elected the NRM structures. You are going to elect the national ones. You have already started with the youth and some of the other groups.
He also warned against politics of personality, asking NRM district leaders not to take sides in the coming primaries because it has created unnecessary divisions in the past.
All the children are your children. So be neutral, stay aloof. You are not the one electing. It is the people who are electing. Let them elect anybody they want, and all you want from them is to have an NRM person.
NRM Secretary General Honorable Richard Todong praised the President's decision to seek another term as party chairman and presidential flag bearer, describing it as a reaffirmation of the party's unity and strength.
We thank you so much, Mr. President, for accepting the call that was made by the people. Thank you so much for honoring this and for coming physically to present yourself before the NRM Electoral Commission. Mr. President, we thank you for guiding the party and making the party transit from a revolutionary military front to a democratic institution.
NRM Electoral Commission Chairperson Dr. Tango Doi used the moment to call for harmony as the party gears up for primaries, advising those with grievances to follow the formal petition channels.
Joint campaigns, and any candidate who feels he has a problem with the joint campaigns should write to the Commission, should write to the Secretary General through the Commission. So that is, in fact, the best would be to write to us and give a copy to Secretary General because we work as a team.
Dr. Tango Doi confirmed that President Museveni is expected to be officially nominated on the 5th of July 2025 as the NRM's top candidate.
Nomination for SEC. SEC will pick forms up to 1st July and we shall nominate from 2nd to 5th. We've changed from 4th to end on 4th. 4th will be a Friday. The congestion on Friday is too much in Kampala. So we are requesting, Your Excellency, that we shall extend by 1 day. We shall have nomination up to Saturday, the 5th. And accordingly, Your Excellency, I want to request you to be the last to get nominated on 5th.
Julius Mhumza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.